about
It is at the expo, and we're talking to
Jason Meisner with STS Inks.
I have a subscriber who actually buy your stuff all the time.
That's awesome.
Yes.
That's awesome.
So I want to know, explain to the masses why people should buy from you and nobody else.
So there's a bunch of different reasons, so let's just kind of go through it. So
exactly.
what makes us very unique and like what makes us different than almost everybody else, we're an American ink manufacturing company. So we manufacture all of our inks in South Florida. I'm not bringing in any inks from China, relabeling it, things like that. That's what everybody else does. So we manufacture our own inks. Secondly, we partner with Muto Japan, and we're the first company to bring a Japanese printer to the American market. Outside of that, everything was just Chinese. Mamaki then followed suit. They got in the market. Roland did. Now Epson did as well. However, for us, we beat them, have better technology. This is about the same exact cost as the Mamaki TXF 300, and this XPD 924 is 188 square feet per hour. Same cost, and the print heads cost half as much. So easier to maintain, less service, less headaches, faster, better quality. It's really just a superior product, and then our support is second to none. It really is. Everyone works with a dedicated sales rep, and then we have 15 plus technicians, half in the field, half in the office, making sure our customers are always up and printing.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
And what size is this one?
This is 24 inches.
So this is a 24 inch. Ah, that's perfect.
Yep.
It means nobody really needs more than 24 inches unless you're printing like some massive.
Exactly. No, and the printer we had before this was our 6082. It won best DTF printer in its class, and it was 64 inches wide, but it took up so much space. Right. And people were like, hey, I got no space for it, so we made it this new one faster, better, and smaller. So it really just kind of checks all the boxes.
Perfect. And then this thing goes with it.
Yes, this is the shaker oven. So essentially with the DTF process, your color goes down on a PET film, white goes on over, the film then will be wet. It's coming through here. TPU, thermal polyurethane powder, is shaken onto the film. It's then fed through the shaker oven, and there's heat lamps that is heating and curing it up. Comes out the other end, roll to roll, and then you literally cut your transfers, press it, and now you're making shirts.
Perfect. And you said this is how much again?
Total cost is $36,500.
Yeah, that's not bad.
You know?
Mamaki, I look at Mamaki, they priced me at $38,000. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, exactly. That's why when people are like, hey, why should I get yours over Mamaki? I'm like, it's a no-brainer. Right. It's a no-brainer. Literally, you have two printers in one and a better quality. It's a no-brainer, you know?
And that's another thing I didn't like with the Mamaki. It only tops out at 720.
Yeah, and also Mamaki's fastest speed mode is what's it called? It's 6 passes at 85. Like we could go 3-pass mode. So it's just a lot quicker. A lot quicker.
Put down more ink and everything else.
Yep.
You want to talk about that tumbler thing over there?
Sure. To the tumbler itself. So UV, there's 3 Epson heads in here, and you can do full coverage like this. So something printed like this, you can do it in just about 2 minutes. Obviously, if you're doing a small logo, much quicker, and it's got a really nice little feature that's called one print and click, where you can just literally take it off, put it in, take it off, put it in, just keep printing and just running and repeat jobs if you like.
Oh, but so this is UV DTF.
This is UV, not DTF.
Oh, it's not DTF.
So what makes it? So you're printing directly onto the substrate. So you're printing onto the bottle. UV DTF, you're printing onto an AB film that's like a sticker.
Right.
So the reason why I call it DTF because it technically is a transfer, but it always confuses people. They're like, oh, is this DTF? I'm like, these are 2 different technologies.
Right.
UV is one thing for stickers. DTF for garments is a whole nother animal. Yeah.
Okay. And you go directly on the tumblers and put on practically anything.
Yeah, you can go on a Yeti cups, wine bottles, anything like that. So what we did for Christmas, actually, we sent wine to all of our customers, and we printed Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from STS Inks. We sent everybody bottles of wine. Yeah.
That is awesome.
So it's really, really cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah, any cylindrical object.
That's pretty awesome. And you guys going to come out with a flat one at any point or no?
A flatbed?
Yes.
We actually do have a flatbed. It's our 2436. It can print onto almost any type of substrate, from phone cases, pens, golf balls, you name it. Really versatile. It's actually so 24 by 36 inches, so it's not too big, doesn't take up a lot of space, but has a lot of capabilities. So someone who's in the promotional product world, that's something that they would look at, you know. So you can do a lot of different things, and it has a jig to basically be able to rotate bottles. So if you only want to do bottles here and there, and then other things, you can do that on the 2436. This one's specifically for cylinders.
Specifically?
Yeah.
Thanks for the information.
Yeah, no, it's a pleasure talking to you.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.